Welcome. I'm Amy with Abunditude, and I'd like to invite you to join me for a short grounding practice to bring our bodies back to the earth. As an intellectual property lawyer and the mother of twins and teenagers, I'm very familiar with balancing responsibilities, and it's often difficult to find time throughout the day to devote to myself and to seeing where I am and being in the present. This practice will help find a sense of security and a sense of safety and connection with the earth. So come into a seat. If you have a pillow or a blanket to sit on, that will help stack the spine up straight. Gently let the knees drop. You can take your hands to your lap and place them down in a more grounding posture. This will bring your body back to the earth and back to your space. Gently inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Just 3 deep breaths at any time of the day will bring you back to the present moment. It'll help calm the nervous system and it'll help you focus on the tasks at hand. So gently inhale through the nose again. Start to notice the air around. Maybe close the eyes or softly gaze. This helps the mind to start slowing down. Just noticing your thoughts. If you're thinking about the rest of your day, planning out what's next, that's okay, it's normal. Just gently allow those thoughts to be there without grasping or trying to hold on to them or run off with the story. Just gently letting them pass. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Coming back to that center, that inner voice that you know to be yours. Coming back to that space where you can begin to create the rest of your day, where you can build your future. Inhaling and exhaling. Gently open the eyes. Inhale the arms up over the head. Exhale the hands to heart center. Gently allow a word to come to your mind, an intention for the day. Maybe something that you're working on, whether it's coming back to the present or finding peace or finding space for yourself. Be with that thought for this moment and seal your intention with a deep breath in and a longer breath out. Good. Gently extend the legs in front of you. You can shake them out. And if the hamstrings are really tight, this may be a difficult posture. You can put a blanket or a pillow under the knees to help for support. And start to reach forward towards the feet. Just gently allowing the body to fold forward over the legs, not pushing anything and not trying to force into the position, just allowing the back of the legs to release in their own time. This is a yin posture. A yin yoga comes out of the hatha yoga tradition, and it focuses on more of the passive actions in the body. So releasing some of the ligaments and the web of fascia that surrounds our muscles and bones. Just slowly releasing those ligaments can help us let go of things that we're holding on to. Just notice in the body, start to notice where you feel the sensation. If it's in the back of the legs, or the knees, or the calves. Just gently moving into that sensation. If you notice any tingling or pulling, you can back off just a little bit. Not wanting to stretch the nerves, but rather just allow the body to surrender into the posture. If you have some blocks or books you can rest your head on, or you can take your hands and just rest your head in your hands. Noticing where the thoughts may take you here. Certainly, it's okay if the mind wanders, just allowing them to be what they are, not running off with the story. Just gently coming back to your breath. And gently walking the hands back up to come up. And shake the legs out. Bring the knees in. Maybe windshield wiper the legs back and forth. And feel the energy through the back of the legs. Just releasing. Bring the soles of the feet together into a butterfly posture. You can open up the pages of a book, your feet, as pages of a book. And just gently massage the feet. You deserve it. You spend a lot of time on your feet. And if you have a block or something to put under the knees, that can help release as well. Or you can bring the feet forward just a little bit if that's comfortable. Just allowing the body to start folding forward over the legs. Again, not forcing anything, but just surrendering to the pose, feeling where you feel the sensation in the outer hips or maybe the groin, and feeling the connection of the body to the earth. Here again, you can take your head and rest it in your hands if that's there for you today. You can even give your forehead a little massage. Maybe work out that third eye where we have our intuition. Gently releasing any energy that you're holding on to into the floor below. Slowly walk the hands back up to come back up to neutral. Gently coming back to your cross-leg position. You can bring the hands either down, grounding us back down to the earth, or this time maybe facing the palms up to receive the energy around and above. Inhaling deeply up to the top of the head and exhale through the mouth, releasing any energy that you're holding on to and want to let go of through the floor below. Inhaling up, exhale, releasing through the floor below. You can take this practice with you anywhere, at any time of day, whenever you might be feeling out of sorts and just need to find some space or time for yourself. Thank you for joining me today with all my light and all my love. Namaste. Hi friends, Amy here. If you liked this video, I have another one for you, and it's completely free. It's 6 minutes of breathwork and yin yoga to help reduce tension and improve flexibility. All you have to do is click on the link below and pinned in the comments. If you enter your email, then I will send you access to that video immediately. Thank you for joining us at Abunditude, and have a great rest of your day. Namaste.